Good morning, students. Here, Shazma Fatima, lecturer in Civil Department. Now we are going to discuss construction management and entrepreneurship. Last class, we discussed about conditions of contracts and different types of contracts, their merits and demerits. Now today's topic is tender. Tender is an offer in retaining to execute some specified work at certain rates within a fixed time under certain conditions of contract and agreement between the contractor and the owner or party. Contract is an offer in retaining to execute some specified work at certain rate within a specified time under certain conditions of contract and agreement between the contractor and the owner party. Now coming to the contract tender form. Tender form is a printed standard form giving the bill of quantities, contractors, rates and cost of work, estimated money, security deposit, time allowed for the work, columns for signature of contractor, signature of witness to contractors, signatures and signatures of the officer. So here is a printed standard form giving the bill of quantities, contractors, rate and cost of work, estimated money, security deposit, time allowed for the work. Now coming to the need for calling tenders. Interesting works by calling tenders in an advantageous because of lower bids that may be obtained due to competition among the contractors. Selection of contractors can be made based upon their experience in their line. Personal interests, prejudicious preferences partially can be avoided by calling for tenders. So that justice can be done to the confidence society have reposed in the offices of the department. The commissioning authority asks companies to submit a tender. Tendering procedures take place in 3 stages. Number 1, the announcement stage. Second, the tendering stage. Third, the award stage. Sealed tender. A system in which several companies makes tenders for a contractor without knowing anyone what the other tenders are. The offers are then all opened at the same time and the work given to the company who makes the best offer. A system in which several companies makes tenders for a contract without knowing anyone what the other tenders are. The offers are then all opened at the same time and this work. Now coming to the tender notice. Tender notice is issued in the prescribed form for calling tenders for execution of some work. The following information is furnished in the tender notice. Number 1, name of the authority or department inviting tenders. Name of the work and its location. Estimated cost. Time of completion. Cost of tender form and conditions of contract. Date, time and place of opening the tenders. Earliest money and security money. Validity of tenders, etc. Tender notice is advertised in all the leading newspapers and also posted on the notice boards of the departments inviting tenders. Now coming to the typical tender notice. A typical tender notice inviting tenders is given below. The blank spaces are to be filled up by a party who invites tenders. NIT, tender number. We have the list of tender notice. We discuss one by one. So here first one is sealed tenders are invite for the following work. Name of work. We have to give the name of the work for which we are going to apply. Then estimated cost, how much we estimate the cost. Then price of tender form. Earliest money and time of completion. And second, tender form and other documents can be obtained from the office of the executive engineer division every day. except Sunday and holiday from at a charge of rupees per set. Third, each tender must be accompanied by a deposit of rupees as early as money in the form of cash or treasury challan or post office or saving bank deposit or NSC pledged to the executive engineer. Fourth, tenders will be received in the tender box by executive engineer up to and when will be opened at on the same day. The authority reserves the right to reject any tender, all tenders without assigned any reasons. The rate should be quoted in the bill quantities legally, both in figures and words. Signature and executive engineer with date, authority in charge, division and place. We have to mention all the blanks whatever we discuss. Tender notice includes many number of information and conditions in addition to a few mentioned in the typical tender notice. Refund of earnest money, period of validity of rates quoted, site inspection near relative of contractor, rates to include all taxes. About 2% of gross amount source and specifications of materials, change of address, etc. When tender form is obtained from the office, the tender notice will include all such particulars. These items are not given in contract document. Hence, tender notice paper is very important document on which the subsequent agreements with the contractors are based. Therefore, it is necessary that the tender notice must be included in the contract document. Now, tender notice includes many number of information and conditions in addition to a few mentioned in the typical tender notice, that is refund of earnest money, period of validity of rates quoted, site inspection near relative of contractor, rates to include all taxes, source and specifications of materials, charge of address, etc. When tender form is obtained from the office, the tender notice will include all such particulars. These items are not given in contract document. Hence, tender notice paper is very important document on which the subsequent agreements with the contractor are based. Therefore, it is necessary that the tender notice must be included in the contracted document. Now coming to the tender documents, the following items are included in a tender document which is assigned by a contractor. Necessary entries are made and a forwarding letter on letterhead of a contractor with bank draft for the earnest money. These are put in a closed cover and dropped in the tender box within the time limit for the submission of a tender. The name of work and name of the contractor are mentioned on the cover. The notice inviting tender, NIT, tender form, schedule of quantities of work to be done, tools and plans to be supplied by the department if any. General and special conditions of contract, complete specifications, one set of drawings where necessary. Now coming to the multiple choice question, based on we discuss the above topics about the tender and quotations. We have question. Quotations are letter of inquiry. A. Your options are A. True, B. False. So now your option is A. True. Explanation for above question. The statement is true. Quotations are letters of inquiry in which an organization or an individual asks another organization or individually to quote its or his rates and terms of payment for the goods intended to be purchased. Now coming to the next question, we have where is the name of the company inviting mention in an invitation of quotation? Your options are A. Top left corner, B. Bottom left corner, C. Top right corner, D. Bottom right corner. Now your option is C. Top right corner. The name of the company inviting is mentioned in the top right corner or on an invitation of quotation along with the address and date. Now your option is A. Top left corner. The name of the company which is invited is mentioned in the top left corner in an invitation of quotation below the address for the inviting party. Now coming to the next question, we have where is the cottager's leave taking mentioned in an invitation of quotation? Your options are A. Top left, B. Bottom right, C. Top right, D. Bottom left. And your option is B. Bottom right. Explanation: the courteous leave taking is mentioned in the bottom right corner along with signature and designation. Now coming to the next question. Quotations are friendly letters. Your options are A. True, B. False. Now your option is B. False. The statement is false. Quotations are letters of inquiry and thus are business letters. It is formal to invite quotations from a large number of sellers. Now coming to the next question. A tender is advertised in, your options are A. Newspapers, B. Business environment, C. Domestic markets, D. Sellers. Now your option is A. Newspaper. Explanation. There is a difference between quotations and tenders. A tender is advertised in newspaper, magazines, etc. Now coming to the next question, we have which of this is not mentioned in a tender? Your options are A. Date, B. Notice number, C. Sign, D. Designation. Now your option is C. Sign. Explanation. A tender does not have the sign of the authority mentioned in it. It only has the designation mentioned. Now coming to the next question, we have where is the name of the organization mentioned in the tender? Your options are A. Top left, B. Top center, C. Top right, D. Bottom center. Now your option is B. Top center. Explanation. The name of the organization along with tender notice, number and date is mentioned in the top center in bold in the beginning. Now coming to the next question, we have which of these is mentioned in a tender? Your options are A. Notice number, B. Signature, C. Addressing in the tender, D. Courteous living taking. Explanation for that: in the top center, the name and address of the organization is mentioned along with the tender, notice number, and the date. Thank you.